Hey guys, in this video let's unbox and test the Realme Buds 2 Neo earphones. This unit is one of the cheapest wired earphones that you can get for around $399 to $499. So let's see if it is any good for the price. Should you get it if you are looking for earphones in this price range? Some key highlights are printed on the package like the L-shaped jack, Tangle free design and HD microphone. We get an user manual, 2 pair of small and large sized ear tips and our earbuds itself. Before we dive into the important aspects of the product, a sub to the channel will be appreciated if you are into tech gadgets and all the fun stuffs. The cables are made of rubber and not of any fancy fabric, but they contain some nice texture which feels good in hand and helps in untangling of wires. There is a single multifunction button on top which can be used for picking up calls and changing tracks, along with a mic hole which houses the mic inside. The button is very tactile feeling and the feedback is satisfactory. The earphone is made of plastic entirely and the earphones have a nice reflecting texture which I personally like. However, I am not a big fan of the bright yellow accent that sits just below the ear tips. Taste and preference is subjective and I would leave it up to you. The connector is a L-shaped one with no gold plating. The 90-degree design actually helps to prevent breaking the wires in the long run, so good job on that. The back of the mic housing also contains a Realme branding which is not visible loudly. This is the audio test of Realme Buds 2. The sound is coming from the inbuilt mic. What do you think about the sound quality? Let me know in the comments. Coming to the sound test finally, straight up these earphones sound very neutral and packs punchy bass. The trebles are not very strong, but come on, this is very much expected. You cannot get the level of sound precision from a budget earphone that you would usually get on much higher ones. Considering the price, they are very good, I would say. In fact, I liked it much more than any other earphones in this price range. If you can spend 200 to 300 rupees more, then I would suggest buy the Mi dual driver earphones. They are a little better overall. But under 500, these are pretty good pair of earphones. Totally recommended. For casual listening to music and gaming sessions, they are good and decent. Interestingly, they can be worn for very long period of time. They are so light and fit so good that you would not mind wearing them for hours. Really impressed on that front. That's all for this video. You can follow my link in the description to purchase if you want to buy. Hope you are doing great. This is Avik signing off. See you in the next one.